DJI has launched a new cinematic drone called Avata, which has made to work with the new DJI Goggles 2 video headset. While it's in the same category as the brand's previous first-person view FPV cinematic model, it takes on a more usual Cinehoop form factor with prop guards protecting its quad propellers. Since it's a Cinehoop, the Avata was designed to have the speed and agility of racers, but the stabilization technology needed to be able to capture smooth and vivid footage too. The Avata has 18-minute battery life from its 2420 mAh battery and it weighs 410 grams. It has integrated propeller guards for safely in enclosed spaces, while its 155-degree field of view ultra-wide camera features a 1x1.7-inch CMOS sensor. It can shoot in 4K at 60 fps as well as 2.7K at 50 or 60, 100 or 120 fps. It can hover like a traditional drone, accelerate like a racer, zoom in and out to tight spaces and stop in a fraction of a second. If it happens to land upside down, the new turtle mode lets it flip back up and take off again. Speaking of modes, there are 3 of them for operation: normal, in which the Avata operates similarly to other DJI drones, hovering in place with the use of satellite navigation or visual positioning systems on the bottom of the drone; manual mode, only with the DJI FPV remote controller 2, is the one in which you have full limitless control and get the immersive FPV flight experience with the ability to customize parameters to your heart's content. Finally, sport mode is a hybrid blend of the other two, offering some of the dynamic movement capabilities that come with manual mode along with some of the key safety features of normal mode. The DJI Avata is available today from DJI's online store for $629 by itself, or $1,388 bundled with the DJI Goggles 2 and the DJI Motion Controller. You can also pick it up alongside the DJI FPV Goggles version 2 and DJI Motion Controller for $1,168. A kit containing 2 batteries and a battery charging hub can be yours for $279.